I'm all but familiar with e-bikes, but never have I ever had an e-bike that rides as good, had more people stop and admire just how good it looks, and one that looks as elegant and more of a work of art than this. This is Honbike's Uni4 e-bike, and it's got to be so far my favorite e-bike I've had the pleasure of experiencing, and brings a level of simplicity, ease of use, and elegance that makes the premium e-bike experience more of a work of art than a piece of tech or transport vehicle that is used to actually make getting from A to B easier. In fact, apart from actually enjoying riding it, oddly enough, really enjoy just looking at the bike and admiring just how good it looks. Let's talk about looks and design for a moment, because I honestly get the feeling that apart from the engineers at work in the development of the Honbike Uni4, Honbike must have given full reins to some talented designers who have the vision of what an elegant modern e-bike should be and how it works. And to be honest, it really shows. The Uni4 comes in black and white, which is the one I have here. And the unique shape of the frame is what stands out the most, with Honbike going for a zero sharp edge, angular-free, rounded design that brings a level of craftsmanship, sleekness, and looks that turns heads more often than I've ever had on any other e-bike. The frame of the bike is using an aircraft grade 7000 series aluminium, which uses a 3-2 base design with a total weight of the bike around 20 kilograms, a water resistance rating of IPX6 against the elements, and one thing that adds to the simple, more sophisticated nature of the Uni4, a gearless design, which, trust me on this, is such a genius move. So what powers the Uni4? You have a 432 watt-hour high-capacity battery integrated and housed in the middle of the frame of the bike, with an estimated range of around 100 kilometers, which if you didn't tell me, I wouldn't have actually known, as most e-bikes have a massive housing when it comes to the premium end of things. Charging time is roughly 4.5 hours with the included charger, and the best part, which gives the Uni4 the go power it needs when riding, is the 250 watt high ratio rear hub motor with a built-in gear reduction transmission, which gives you a quick start and consumes less battery power when riding. Bringing it all together is the use of a high quality Gates carbon belt drive, which makes for such a smooth pedal and ride experience. And considering this bike has no gears to work with, which I must say took a lot of guts to go and actually use this as the design option, and for sure, it works very well. And with Honbike actually stated up to 10,000 plus kilometers maintenance free with the belt, you can rest assured it's going the distance with minimal to no stress. When considering the ride experience of an e-bike, 3 core areas have to be taken into consideration: the comfort of the ride, with things like the seat, suspension, and tires, the brakes, and also how good the electric assistance is, from the power, how instant it is, and also the smooth delivery. The ride is compliant, and the seats make a huge difference to how painless it feels when riding. Thanks to the use of front and rear disc brakes, the braking performance is nice and progressive with good stopping power. In the end, it comes down to how good the electric power delivery is, and Honbike does not disappoint, because it's not just about the extra raw power, it's how instant the power assistance is when you start actually pedaling, and how in sync it is when you're pedaling in the groove. In the end, it comes down to just how good the electric power delivery is, and Honbike does not disappoint, because it's not just about the extra raw power, it's how instant the power assistance is when you start pedaling, and also how in sync it is when you're pedaling in the groove. I was initially thrown back by the lack of gears on the Uni4 design, but once you experience the free pedaling and especially the electric assistance, you instantly start to agree that it just makes sense, as it makes the riding experience much more straightforward and a legit nicer experience. What makes a difference is the control you have on how much assistance you want from the electric motor. When looking at the handle, you have, of course, a built-in belt, and solid handles with great comfort, an additional throttle on the right for electric power only, which varies in limit based on the region you're in, which in Europe is limited to 6 kilometers an hour, which is roughly 3.7 miles per hour. You also get a combined speed of up to 25 kilometers per hour, which is roughly 15.5 miles per hour. And most importantly, there are 3 buttons on the left being the power, plus, and minus. Once the electric motors are turned on via the power button, using the plus button allows you to increase the level of electric assistance you want at 3 levels, with green being the first, followed by blue and red being the highest. You can of course use the minus buttons to decrease the level of power assistance you need, and that's it. It's really that simple. Pressing and holding the plus button turns on and off the front light, which is great for night rides, and there's also a rear light which you can turn on with a button placed underneath the right side, so you're visible at night on the road when you're riding. The ride experience itself is top tier and definitely shows that a premium e-bike doesn't need complicated extras that at times get in the way of a good experience when actually riding. A couple of honorable mentions on the Honbike Uni4 is the robust kickstand, which tucks away nicely, the ergonomic levels of the brake handles for a solid grip, and the official Honbike app for iOS and Android, which connects via Bluetooth, giving you key information like your remaining battery life, the amount of trips you've taken, and more. I thoroughly enjoyed the experience I've had with the Honbike Uni4, and if it's a premium e-bike you're after, then this is definitely one to consider. Check the link in the description below for full information on the Honbike Uni4 e-bike and where you can get yours, and thank you to Honbike for partnering and sponsoring this video.